Okay, we're in the master bedroom, but there's others. And these windows, I don't know if you can see this or not, but this latch is right inside the latch like it's supposed to be. And then some of these others, they're not in the latch. They latch between the latch and the window frame. It makes them kind of difficult. And it really doesn't make them secure either. I'm going to open this one up and see. I just can't seem to make it. This is that one made it. That one doesn't make it. It's happened in other windows. I haven't even counted the upstairs. A couple of these windows, that window. So far, I've counted 5. There's going to be more.